Create stunning slides in a minute. Beautiful AI, free for 1 year. If you want to design professional presentation quickly without design skill, this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Beautiful.ai free for 1 year using the official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had already created one account, and this is the already, here you can see Vivas Malik workspace. I had already logged in account. Let's go to my account. Billing page, then manage plan. Here you can see current plan. So by this way you can also create 1 year free Beautiful.ai account. Just watch this complete video. First of all, go to the website, official website, Beautiful.ai website. In a first, click on this login button. Just click on this login. Then here you can see create an account. Click on it. Now we need to fill our work email and current password. So use your email address and choose a strong password. Then click on this start free trial. After that, we need to verify our email address. So check in your email address for OTP verification. Go to your email address and copy the OTP, then paste here. It will automatically redirect you to Beautiful.ai homepage. Click on simply next. Simply fill here anything, Google search or YouTube, Facebook, anything. You can select anything. It does not matter. Now just close this. Now go to this link Beautiful.ai/education. Then click on this claim edu offer. Don't worry if you don't have a edu email, just join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Few premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. After that, fill your school name, school website and current grade or year. So if you don't have a edu email, join WhatsApp group. Let's fill my school name, school website and current year. After fill this information, click on this submit button. Here you can see you are now enrolled in Beautiful.ai education plan and your membership will be valid until 19 April 2027. So click on this refresh button. Here you can see, and successfully our account is upgraded. Now here you can see I had logged in. Here you can see a workspace, and let's check billing page also. Here you can see in a advanced tab and click on this upgrade. Here you can see current plan, our Beautiful.ai Pro $12 monthly plan. So I can enjoy one year completely free for Beautiful.ai. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.